Good morning, dear students. Before proceeding towards our poem, let's do idiom of the week. That is a tradition. So the idiom of the week is as easy as falling off a log. Falling off means fall off means
गिर जाना
से गिर जाना
yes, girna, and log means
लकड़ी
लकड़ी का गट्ठा. So as you can as you can see in the picture, some children are standing on a log and it is flowing in water, but as it is in circular shape and it is in motion, so can you imagine that someone can stand on it for even a minute? No. So they are just falling off. So the meaning of as easy as falling off a log means it is extremely easy. When someone says that something is as easy as falling off a log, they mean that it is extremely easy. So that means it is extremely easy. Now see some examples. You must be able to tie a bow. Bow किसको नहीं पता? सबको पता what is a bow, how to tie it. Bow जो हम ऊपर collar पे लगाते हैं in place of tie. So you must be able to tie a bow. It is as easy as falling off a log. Means it is extremely easy. Sarah thinks learning to drive will be as easy as falling off a log. सारा सोचती है कि ड्राइविंग सीखना is extremely easy. It will be as easy as falling off a log. So this is the idiom of the week. Gunish, mute yourself. Yes, beta ji. So that means something is extremely easy. When you do anything, that means it is very easy. So from tomorrow onwards, I'll be asking you some examples of the same idiom, right? So let's move towards our poem. Yes, beta, the poem that we are going to do today. Before that, I just want to ask you, can you recognize this picture? Who is he?
Yes.
आमिर खान
Amir Khan playing the role
Mangal
of
Pandey.
Mangal Pandey. Yes. So why did I keep his photo? Because it is easy to recognize. Otherwise, I could have pasted real Mangal Pandey's pic, right? Now the next pic, just recognize it. Who is she?
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई
Rani Lakshmi Bai. Yes. So she is Rani Lakshmi Bai. And the next pic is
Tatya
Tope. It is written also on the picture. And this picture is
भगत सिंह
Bhagat Singh. Bilkul right, ji, bilkul right. Now just tell me, can you tell me what is common in these pictures? What have they done in the history?
These are
Ma'am,
warriors.
they all are
Wait,
freedom fighters.
wait. Beta, just raise your hand. I'll be asking one by
And they
one.
all fight against the foreign.
They fight against the British.
Vanshika, you just tell me, why have pasted their pictures?
Ma'am, they all are freedom fighters of our country.
They all are freedom fighters. Anything else? Why did they become freedom fighters? What was there inside them that forced them to be a freedom fighter? Dhruv
Courage.
or
They wanted their countries to be free.
okay, they wanted their country to be free. But was it easy for them to take this step? What forced them to
No.
take this step? Were they agreeing to the policy made by British government, or what they were doing to us? Did they agree to that?
No.
No. So
No.
what
Ma'am, they were different.
yes, Ramneek.
Ma'am, they were different from the others.
Yes, they were different from the others. As you see, this Mangal Pandey, in the mutiny of 1857, he was the first person. Because of him, that mutiny started. Do you agree? वो जो cartridges थे जिसमें beef था या meat था, you need to open those cartridges with the help of your mouth. यही था ना कि आपको उस अपने माउथ के साथ अपने मुंह को यूज करके उनको खोलना पड़ता था. And when he came to know that there was meat, गाय का मांस है या सुअर का मांस है, उसकी चर्बी मिली हुई है, then what did he do? What did he do, beta?
He stopped it.
Against this practice.
Yes,
And he started a revolution.
yes, he started rebelling this thing. He started rebelling this thing. Rebelling means किसी चीज को disobey करना, अपना जो anger है उसको exhibit करना. In the same way, if we talk about this Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was also against the policy of the British government that says that you cannot make your adopted son a prince. उनके अकॉर्डिंग क्या था कि adopted son को आप prince या राजा नहीं बना सकते, but she was against this policy and she was a rebellion. If we say Tantia Tope, he was equally good in the freedom fighting of our country, and he was mentor of Rani Lakshmi Bai also. He taught everything to her. Riding, sword chalana, ladna, everything he taught to her. And if we talk about Bhagat Singh, although he was a revolutionary, because he did not like the policies of Congress also, and even those radicals या moderates को तो चलो खैर वो मानता ही नहीं था, radicals की भी इसको पसंद नहीं आई थी. First he joined Congress, but when he saw that no one was doing something, so he just left that out and he became a revolutionary. You must have read about it all in your history. आप सबको मेरे से ज्यादा पता है ना? So यहाँ मैंने आपको ये pictures इसलिए दिखाई हैं because they were different from the crowd. They were not obeying anyone. They were against the Britishers, or they were against the policies, and they were disobeying them, and they were exhibiting their anger in some or the other way. So that means my purpose to show these pictures is to tell about a rebel. Rebel होता क्या है? Because our poem is The Rebel. देखा आपने, हमारी poem का नाम है The Rebel. So my purpose to show these pictures was to just introduce you to a rebel. So these all are rebel because इन्होंने विद्रोह किया. Rebel एक ऐसा इंसान होता है जो किसी की बात नहीं मानता, because he is not convinced with the idea of the other people. आपके घरों में भी ऐसे बहुत होता है. अब घर में 6 लोग रह रहे हैं, 5 की ओपिनियन कुछ और होती है, बट वो जो छठा होता है ना, he is always opposite to the other 5s. Have you ever noticed it? Have you ever noticed it? So that 6th is a rebel. ठीक है, हम यहाँ rebel को एक बहुत छोटी सेंस में ले रहे हैं. These are at higher level कि ये जो rebellions हुए, इन्होंने तो हमारी हिस्ट्री पलट के रख दी. Had they not been there, we would have not got our freedom. हमें आजादी मिली नहीं होती. We are free just because of them. All of them. I have just taken 4 examples, but there are numerous number of freedom fighters or rebellions or revolutionists. Because of them, we are here. We are enjoying everything. Right? So our poem is about rebel. So let's read about this poem. So the poem is The Rebel. Rebel means the one who disobeys, shows opposition, and exhibits anger. जो अपना गुस्सा जाहिर करता है, किसी के ऑपोजिट होता है, और जो किसी की बात नहीं मानता. And the name of the poem, how to write it, T capital and R capital. All other letters should be in small case, but T and R should be in capital case, right? And the poet of the poem is D.J. Enright. So you need to learn the spellings and you need to learn the name of this poet, that is D.J. Enright. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Yes, you must be knowing someone in your class, at your home, or in your society, in your locality. बहुत ऐसे बंदे होते हैं कि 5 तो कुछ और करेंगे, छठा कुछ और ही करेगा. Think of a word to describe such a person. So the right word to describe such person is rebel. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Now read the poem. So बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें जो हमें rebel के बारे में बताई गई हैं. Let's read about the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When there is a fashion of keeping hair short, एक फैशन चलता है ना, हर किसी चीज का ट्रेंड चल रहा होता है. When everybody has in the fashion of keeping short hair, but what does rebel do? As he is not convinced with this idea, he has to oppose this tradition. So what does he do? He keeps his hair grow long. वो उनको लंबा बढ़ाता है. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. As he is not convinced with this idea, as he does not like it to keep long hair, so what does he do? If everyone is having long hair, he will just have short hair. So this is the way that rebels do. They do not match with the society. They do not connect to the society. They always do what their mind tells to do them. वो हमेशा अपने दिल की सुनते हैं. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. During the lesson means as we are having a class right now, we are discussing something. जब हर कोई participate करेगा तो rebel क्या कहेगा? मुझे तो कुछ नहीं बोलना. I don't want to say anything. So what does he do? He doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. हाँ जी, होता क्या है? Sometimes the lesson is so important and your teacher tells you to sit quietly, as I daily tell you to do. But what does a rebel do? He will create a disturbance in between because he does not like to sit quietly in the class during the lessons. So he obviously will create a disturbance. So that is a rebel. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Like you are coming to school, you are wearing uniform, but rebel doesn't like uniform. He likes to dress himself in wonderful clothes. Fantastic means wonderful. तो उसका मन होता है कि मैं अच्छे कपड़े पहनूं. Why do I look like the others? Why do I need to look like the others? मैं क्यों दूसरों की तरह दिखूं? I don't want to wear a uniform. I will dress in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. जब हर किसी ने बहुत ही wonderful कपड़े पहने होते हैं, fantastic, he is dressed in his best clothes. What does the rebel do? He dresses himself in a simple set of clothes. वो बहुत ही simple दिखना चाहता है. Why? Because he doesn't want to look like others. उसको होता है कि I should look different. I should be different. Right? In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. क्योंकि उसने सब कुछ उल्टा ही करना है. His idea is to oppose everyone. So if he is sitting in the company of dog lovers, जिन्होंने dog रखे हुए हैं, pet lovers, pet में तो बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं, but specifically if they are talking about dogs and they are dog lovers, तो rebel क्या करेगा? He will show his preference for cat. He will try to tell that how cats are better than dogs. So he will show his preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Good word means praise. तो अगर वो cat lovers की company में बैठेगा तो वो क्या करेगा? He will always praise for the dogs. This is his or her nature. He can't stop himself. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. जब सबको एक बहुत ही अच्छी सी धूप अच्छी लग रही है, सपोज दिस इज अ विंटर सीजन, और एक माइल्ड सा सनशाइन है या आपको बहुत ज्यादा तेज धूप चाहिए, एंड एवरीवन इज प्रेजिंग फॉर द सन कि हाँ कितनी अच्छी धूप है. सो व्हाट डज रीबेल डू? ही विल टॉक ऑन द नीड फॉर रेन, कि नहीं अभी तो बारिश चाहिए थी, इस मौसम में तो बारिश चाहिए. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So जब बारिश आ जाती है, जब rainy season है and everyone is welcoming the rain, but he does not like rain. He is just frustrated with the rain. Sometimes हम भी हो जाते हैं, but we like when the weather is too much pleasant and we enjoy that rainy weather. रीबेल क्या करता है? He feels sorry for the absence of sun. उसको बड़ा ही रिग्रेट, उसको पछतावा होता है कि हाय आज धूप क्यों नहीं है, आज तो मुझे धूप चाहिए थी, आज बारिश क्यों होने लग गई. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. जब हर कोई बाहर कहीं जाता है, suppose for some meeting, but a rebel, he will stay at home and he will read a book. Means he does not like the company of the others and he does not like to go to the meeting. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. In the opposite way, जब हर कोई घर में बैठा है, book पढ़ता है, rebel क्या करेगा? वो meeting में चला जाता है. When everybody says yes please, कि हाँ हाँ ठीक है, प्लीज, व्हाई नॉट? द रीबेल सेज नो थैंक यू, नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, प्लीज थैंक यू, आई कांट डू दैट, इट्स नॉट अप टू मी, आई डोंट लाइक इट। सो क्योंकि उसने ऑपोजिट ही करना है, रीबेल का मतलब ही शोज ऑपोजिशन है, तो वो सबके उल्ट ही करेगा। व्हेन एवरीबडी सेज नो थैंक यू, द रीबेल सेज यस प्लीज। जब हर किसी को वो कोई काम नहीं करना होगा तो रीबेल क्या कहेगा? यस प्लीज। It is very good that we have rebels. Yes, it is really good that we have rebels. Why is it good that we have rebels in our society? Because they present a contrast to normal people by acting different to the crowd. ऐसे ही होता है ना, they act different to the crowd, so that is why they present a contrast to normal people and it amuses us. वो एक चार्म बना रहता है सोसाइटी का, अगर सारे ही एक ही चीज को फॉलो करते रहते हैं, सो इट इज जस्ट बोरिंग, इट जस्ट डिफीट्स द पर्पस। यू मे नॉट फाइंड इट वेरी गुड टू बी वन, हियर वन रेफर्स टू रीबेल, बट आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि अगर आप भी एक रीबेल हो या आप में से कोई रीबेल हो। वाई डोंट यू लाइक टू बी वन? जब आप पे बात आती है तो आप इसको अच्छा नहीं समझते हो। वाई? It is not good to be a rebel because rebels are almost always disregarded from the society. They are always disregarded from the society. That is why nobody likes to be rebel, right? Okay, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? Jaldi bolo.
Teacher will scold for not wearing the uniform.
Huh?
The teacher will
Punish.
someone.
The teacher will punish.
Then he.
And the teacher will punish him.
Punish him, or he can teacher will say him to wear uniform from future onward. ये भी हो सकता है. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most?
The
rebel wants rain. Very good. Yes, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have?
Cat.
Everyone else likely to have cats.
Everyone wants
Yes,
cat.
everyone wants to have cat. Why is it good to have rebels?
To maintain a charm in the society.
Yes, to
Ma'am,
create a
to change
charm
the
in the
repetitiveness.
society, and they portray a contrast to the normal people. Okay, why is it not good to be a rebel oneself?
Because the society.
Because the society regrets
Yes, because the society disregards them. Would you like to be a rebel?
No.
No.
Chalo, that is up to you. That depends on you. Ki why do you want to be a rebel or you don't want to be a rebel? That is totally up to you. You have your own reasons. You have your own causes. Why do you want to be or why don't you want to be, right? So I hope this poem is clear to you. It is very easy poem. किसी को कुछ ऐसी चीज हो जो ना समझ आई हो, so I'm always there to clear your doubt. You can always ask me. And now we will move towards our next topic, that is writing task, that is message writing. Okay, let me share the screen. Once again, a very good morning as we are going to start the next topic. And that is message writing. Okay, what is message writing? You have done it in your previous class. Can anyone tell me what is message writing? Raise your hand and tell me. Otherwise, it is in on your screen also. Yes, sir. From the name of Annu Bala, it may be Tanya or Tanisha. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in message writing, if any person who is conveying to his or her friend or any parent, he or she can write a message to convey to other if anyone is not present there.
Very good. If you have to convey a message to someone else on someone else's behalf, and to whom the message is to be conveyed, that person is not present at home, so you also have to leave your home, or you also are not available at that time. So what do? You write a message for the concerned person. आप उस concerned person के लिए एक message लिख देते हो और आप उसको लिख के अपने घर के किसी ऐसे कॉर्नर में रख देते हो जहां उसको अच्छे से विजिबल हो जाए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल his room or the lobby or prominently, or you stick it at the door, कहीं भी आप ऐसी जगह रख देते हो in a short form, but it should be short and it should be clear and it should be concise, तो उसको हम कहते हैं मैसेज राइटिंग. राइटिंग मीन्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू द फॉर्म ऑफ राइटिंग, किसी को मैसेज लिख के बताना. ठीक है. मोस्टली द मीडियम ऑफ मैसेज इज टेलीफोनिक. इसमें होता क्या है, मोस्टली द मीडियम इज टेलीफोनिक. सपोज किसी ने आपके घर फोन किया, आपने फोन उठाया, फोन आपके मम्मा के लिए था, बट योर मम्मा इज नॉट एट होम. ठीक है, कि मम्मा की फ्रेंड ने फोन किया आपकी मम्मा के लिए, बट योर मम्मा इज नॉट एट होम एंड यू हैव attended that phone, and that auntie, your mama's friend, has given an important message for your mama, and you are also leaving for your tuition or for your school or somewhere else or park you are going to play, but to convey that message is equally important. So what will you do? You will write that message on a slip and you will keep that slip at a convenient place, right? So if the person for whom the message is meant is not available, then someone else receives the message and conveys it to the other in written format. तो उसको written format में उसको लिख के दे दिया जाता है. That is why it is called message writing. So there is a telephonic conversation between two persons, that is Sanya and Abha. And Sanya is Astha's friend and Abha is Astha's mother. So Sanya is trying to call Astha, but her mother Abha attends the phone. So what are they conversing? That is written on your slide. Conversation between Astha's mother Abha and Sanya. So Sanya is saying, hello, may I speak to Astha please? So Abha says, I'm sorry, she is not at home. Yes, Astha is not at home. So may I know who's calling? So Sanya says, I'm Sanya, her classmate who is there. तो सानिया भी पूछ रही है कि मैं उसकी क्लासमेट बोल रही हूँ, आप कौन बोल रहे हो? And Abha replies, I am Astha's mother. So Sanya says, Namaste auntie. So this is, I mean, our tradition. Whenever we call or meet someone elder to us, we always wish her or him. So Abha says, Namaste beta, how are you? Sanya says, I'm fine. Could you please convey my message to Astha? So Abha says, why not? Sure. Sanya says, please inform her that the science exam has been postponed from 22nd April to 24th April. So she asks anything else. So Sanya says, that's all auntie, thank you. So Abha says, okay, I'll inform her. Bye beta. And she says, bye auntie. So as Astha has gone for her tuition classes, Astha तो घर में वैसे ही नहीं थी, and her mother Abha has to leave for her kitty party. और आभा को भी कहीं जाना है, but उसने फोन सुना है. So what will she do? She leaves Sanya's message for her. So you are to write this message on behalf of Abha. तो आपको आभा के behalf पे वो message लिखना है. How will you write it? So this is the format of message writing. It is exactly written in this way. First of all, you need to draw a box. ये box में ही लिखा जाता है. Without box, it will not be considered. Then heading message, that too in capital letters. It should always be in capital letter. Then to mention day, time and date is equally important. Date should be in expanded form. Salutation means जिसके लिए message लिखा गया है. Like यहाँ message किसके लिए है? आस्था के लिए. तो dear आस्था आएगा. फिर जो उसका content part है कि your exam has been postponed. I'm leaving for my kitty party. Right? So you take care and we'll meet at in the evening. Whatever you want to write. And then sender's name. Here sender's name is जिसने message लिखा है. ये वो name है. Okay. So if I talk about its marking scheme, it contains 5 marks, format 2 marks and content 3 marks. अगर मैं इसको फॉर्मेट को कंसिडर करूं तो इसके 2 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. फॉर्मेट में आपका आ जाएगा बॉक्स, डे, डेट, टाइम, सैल्यूटेशन एंड देन सेंडर्स नेम एंड कंटेंट. जो बीच वाली बॉडी है, द कंटेंट पार्ट, दैट विल कंटेन 3 मार्क्स. So important points क्या है? Message must be written in a box. Day, date and time must be mentioned. To write salutation is important. While writing content, begin with who called, why called. This is very important to convey that person कि किसने call किया था और क्यों call किया था. अगर आप यही नहीं बताओगे तो the purpose of message writing will be defeated. Write only important things. वो चिट्ठा नहीं लिखना है पूरा, छोटा सा मैसेज लिखना है, वो आपके घर का ही बंदा है, you are to convey something important to him or her, that is why you are writing it, so it should be in precise manner. Information should be as accurate as possible. Make short sentences. Any tense can be used according to the situation. Word limit should be 50 words. तो 50 words का ही होना चाहिए. So how to write a message? CMESSAGE in capital letters. Day is Saturday. Time date is 18 April 2020. I mean, this is a previous year slide, so that is why I have written 2020. 4 PM. तो टाइम है शाम का. क्यों हमने शाम का टाइम लिखा? बिकॉज इट इज क्लियर फ्रॉम द मैसेज दैट आस्था हैज गॉन फॉर हर ट्यूशन क्लासेस. तो अगर ट्यूशन क्लासेस के लिए गई है तो शाम को ही गई होगी, तो शाम को ही फोन आया होगा. तो यूज योर माइंड, यूज योर ब्रेन, यूज योर सेंसेस टू राइट द टाइम करेक्टली. इसको कैसे टाइम को राइट लिखना है, दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन द मैसेज. ओके, वो मैसेज पे डिपेंड करेगा कि मैसेज में क्या है और आप कौन सा टाइम लिखोगे. डियर आस्था, सान्या rang up to inform you that your science exam has been postponed from 22 April to 24 April Friday. I'm going to my kitty party. The food is lying in the fridge. See you at 7 PM in the evening. क्योंकि किटी पार्टी में उसको देर हो जाएगी और आपका खाना भी रख दिया है, ये भी एक मदर ने कन्वे कर दिया अपने बच्चे को. अगर ये लिख भी दिया तो भी ठीक है, नहीं भी लिखा इवन देन इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. शाम को 7 बजे मिलेंगे. योर मदर आभा. So this is the format. I have written a message inside a box, then heading message, then day, date, time, salutation and sender's name. I hope this message writing is clear to you, and I'll be sending you the homework regarding poems, extract and message as well. तो 2 चीजें आपको आएंगी आज, एक extract and writing task also, and I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much बच्चे.